Okay, Puri, so the first question for you is, how much were you involved in the casting process of Double is Smart? And was the casting of Sanjay Dutt your call, or whose call was it?
No, after writing the script, no, we all sit and discuss. Ram, me, and Charmi. In everybody's mind was one name, Sanju Baba.
All right, the next one again is for you from Jaya Bollywood Now. How do you manage the expectation of fans when creating a sequel to such a successful film like I Smart Shankar, Smart Shankar? And what can audiences look forward to in Double is Smart?
Yeah, it's hard to crack a sequel, I always. But I promise, and better than the first part. This story is much better than the first part. And Ram's energy is double than that, double than the first part, I can promise. And 6 songs are there, amazing songs. And energetic Kavya is there. Ali sir, comedy is there.
Absolutely.
And Sabke Upar Baba, Sanju Baba is there. What else you want? It's a full entertainer.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. I'm sure जवाब मिल गया होगा जया जी को. The next one is for Ram bhai. Madhu BBC हिंदी से पूछना चाहती हैं कि this is your first pan Indian film. किस तरह की expectations हैं और क्योंकि after बाहुबली, you know, unlimited हो गया है सब कुछ. You know, box office की range जो है वो unlimited हो गई है. So what do you have to say on that?
Hello.
Check. I generally don't comment on box office, but as an actor, what I like is it's being shared with a lot more people. You know, you can share your content with a lot more people. And yeah, Bahubali definitely opened gates up north and everywhere. And yeah, and this film is even more special because everyone has already loved the first part. So I'm sure a lot of people are looking forward to it, and yeah, pretty excited.
Okay, any one actor from the Hindi film industry apart from Sanju Baba जिनके साथ आपको काम करने का मन है?
काम करने का a lot of people.
Right.
But I really like Ranbir Kapoor also.
Right.
Yeah. He also played Sanju.
Right.
There's a connection there again.
Right. Cool. Thank you so much for
Thank
sharing
you.
that. Sanju Baba, this one's for you. Rahul from the Filmy Charcha wants to know. एक time था जब आप romantic फिल्में करते थे. अभी आपके सारे friends वो romantic भी कर रहे हैं, action भी कर रहे हैं. क्या fans आपको वापस romance करते हुए देख पाएंगे आने वाले समय में, या यही जो एक अलग bold अवतार आ गया है?
अबे romance, अबे आप क्या बोलते हो लेकिन?
आप कुछ भी करो, हम आएंगे. सीटी बजाएंगे, ताली बजाएंगे.
हाँ, रोमांस भी कर लेंगे अगर कोई अच्छी पिक्चर आए, लेकिन आई मीन अपना जो जनरेशन है यार, वो मास के लिए काम करता था, तो हम लोग मासी हीरो है. अपन साजन कर लिया था एक टाइम, लेकिन बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर थी, गाने अच्छे थे यार. एक और कर लेंगे साजन.
चलो भाई, ये भी एक और अनाउंसमेंट हो गया यहाँ पे. मिथुल फ्रॉम टेली चक्कर wants to know what attracts you so much to the South Indian films. This is your third project and it's again a negative lead. So what is it that
I don't know. I think मुझे भी एक it's a challenge for me also, you know, to be in a South film, and negative is a good space to be in. You know, बहुत कुछ करने को मिलता है, मारने को मिलता है, मार खाने को मिलता है. अब रेप कट गया है, लेकिन वो लेकिन it's good, you know. I mean, at least there's a little something to do for an actor, you know, after doing so many films.
Right. Thank you so much. Kavya, this one's for you. Rohit from Filmy Charcha wants to know, do you have any aspirations to work in a Bollywood film?
Yeah, I don't confine myself to one specific industry. I think I'm very open-minded as an actor. And if I like the script and I can justify the role, then I'd definitely do it.
Any favorite Hindi film actors? ऐसा पूछना चाहते हो?
Many, but I guess for me also Ranbir Kapoor after Animal has been like a
Right.
top favorite.
Right. Charmi ma'am, this one's for you. Naveen from 24. मुझे लगा age लिखी हुई है, Naveen 24. What according to you makes a pan-Indian film a hit, and what more films are lined up ahead for Puri Connects?
Hello everyone again. So it's not about pan India or South or Bollywood or English or Russian. I think Puri sir always says that local is global and content is king. And people are appreciating. It's so good to see people are appreciating good cinema, fun cinema, entertainment, masala. At the same time, there's amazing content, different genres. So I think it's we should not have those kind of boundaries.
Right.
And just enjoy cinema. And हमारी picture तो एकदम गली cinema है, गली picture है, and city mar picture hai. So I hope people enjoy this also on August 15th.
I'm sure. Second last question. Puri sir, this one's for you. Lipika ji wants to know, कि you think now Ram Bhai is the new item boy of the industry?
Definitely.
What is
Definitely.
item boy?
Sorry?
What is item boy?
Lipika ji, would you like to throw some light?
Ma'am, I remember meeting you. Yeah, how are you?
वो मुलाकात, no, sorry.
Yeah, please. Sir, मुझे अपन item boy अंडा.
Okay, one last question to everyone, and this is life में कब double smart बनने का try किया है? Namita wants to know. Have you sir tried ऐसा life में double smart बनने का कुछ किया हो?
हर इंसान को रहता है वो. हाँ,
When was the last time and what did you do?
बहुत किया. कितना बनूं? 45 years हो गया.
और बन ही रहा हूँ तब से. For you, Chami ma'am.
What is that?
Double smart बनने का try किया कभी?
ये जो जब भी उनका चिप को प्रॉब्लम आता है होता है, मेरा दिन भर होता रहता है. तो कोई जरूरत नहीं है, मैं इधर होती हूँ उधर भी होती हूँ.
And बड़े खूबसूरती से करती हो ये काम. Puri sir, for you, double smart. What is double smart? और आपने कभी try किया ऐसा बनने का?
नहीं, I never tried, but I right.
But as Ram Bhai said,
Yeah.
you brought that attitude in the
Correct,
industry.
correct.
आप तो खुद में हो sir. Sanju Baba, for you, double smart बनने का आखिरी बार कभी try किया था?
मेरी लाइफ डबल ही नहीं, लेकिन
You're asking him.
मैं बोल रहा था मेरी लाइफ डबल ही नहीं, 100 स्मार्ट शंकर है. बट आई लव इट. आई मीन डबल स्मार्ट
Right.
मस्त है.
Right. Ustad, for you.
Yeah, I just played, no?
No, in real life.
In real life also.
Huh? Kavya?
I think for me, I'm going to first try to be smart and then double smart.
बढ़िया. ये
No,
best है.
I am too naive first. I can be a little too innocent in that sense. So first पहले smart बनेंगे और फिर double smart.
Chronology को समझिए.
She
order
just
पे
got
चलिए.
scammed the other day, so.
Yeah, I did
That
get
trauma.
scammed the other day, so